Yo, what up YouTubers, it's your boy Alter Tech back again with a new video. Now in today's video, well I just came back from the OnePlus 7 Pro premiere event in New York City. I was a volunteer and I actually got a goodie bag. So if you actually bought a ticket, you actually got one as well while they were leaving. So I was actually lucky enough to get not just a OnePlus volunteer shirt. This is actually the staffing shirt. So it actually fits pretty well. It's a polo shirt, great material, very it feels very premium. And I also got this staffing tag, which I might keep as a souvenir. So as for the goodie bag, you guys probably might be wondering what did I get. So I'm just gonna box that for you guys real quick. Number one, we got this really super awesome t-shirt. It has the Never Settle slogan on it. And on the back, it does have that OnePlus logo as well. So it's pretty cool. So I'll definitely be rocking this. Shout out to OnePlus. Now, as for the event, if you guys are asking me about the event, how was it? Actually, let me just get through this real quick. I also got some stickers, a OnePlus sticker, these other stickers over here, and I also got a pin box, not a pin box, a box, well, a couple pins. So we do, I guess this is the plus symbol, OnePlus, Never Settle, and this says just another OnePlus pin. So I'm trying to do this real quick. So we do have, I believe these are bookmarks. So we have black apricot, ebony wood, bamboo, and rosewood. So I should this is a sign from OnePlus. Like, you know, bro, you need to stop. You need to start reading again, man. Because I used to love to read. I used to read a lot of, you know, fictional books like Harry Potter and stuff. But now, you know, as you get older, you want to read some of those, you know, motivational type books or self-improvement type books. So, I mean, usually now I spend my time listening to audiobooks or using electronic books, PDFs. So, okay. So it's actually a ruler as well. Is it actually like real bamboo? I'm not exactly sure, but here are the designs. Shout out to OnePlus. You know, with the scrapbook we got last year, I think that was very underrated. It was like the gifts we got last year, it was very thoughtful. I mean, usually all their gifts are very thoughtful. So this year, it does disappoint. We also got this bottle. It's by this brand called Swell. Apparently, this is the first time I actually heard about this brand. I'm not really much of a bottle person. So let's see. Supposedly, okay, it has a Therma S Well technology, keeps beverages cold for up to 24 hours and hot for up to 12 hours. So that's like this super cool insulating feature, eco-friendly, free and BPA and BPS free and reusable, triple walled, vacuum insulated, no sweat, condensation free. The exterior will remain dry. 17 ounce, 500 milliliters. Be part of a solution. So I guess you're trying to, you know, stop the plastic bottle water pollution. So just go ahead and take this off real quick. I know you guys are busy. You guys don't really like, you know, watching these entire videos. You guys have your whole day to live, your whole lives to live. So I'm trying to do this real quick. So here we have, it seems to be metallic, and you can screw it on, and on top you do have that OnePlus logo, and it's a nice feel. It's like what, plastic feel to it. Does the bottom remove? I don't think the bottom is removable. So you have the Swell branding on the bottom, and you do have the Never Settle logo up on top. It's really cool. So you know what, if you guys want to live healthier, drink your water and stuff, or you want to, like, you know, put your coffee and stuff, save your money, instead of going Dunkin' Donuts all the time and drinking all that sugar and stuff, make your own tea, your healthy natural tea, and it's guaranteed. Oh, actually, if you guys want me to make a movie on, a video on this, on testing how hot the water actually stays in this, that's a great science experiment. You know, with my YouTube channel, I'm all in for like learning and teaching you guys stuff and stuff like that. So that's pretty much what you get inside the goodie bag. Anything else I gotta say? If you guys, my thoughts on the event. Amazing event. You know, just they have such a wonderful team. You know, shout out to all the moderators and whatnot. Very nice people. And for the event, everything we had, you know, jerry rig everything. You know, doing another tear down of the phone that section. I didn't get to go to the VIP section. I was pretty much stationed on my section, just guarding the OnePlus 7 Pros. I had about 6 of them in my table. I had the almond, the blue, the black. I'm actually going to talk more about this on a live stream on Friday. I'm not exactly sure whose channel it's going to be on. Maybe Simplify Your Device or Simply Your Device, or it might be on Mobile Geezers or maybe Will's. So be sure, I'll send you guys a link maybe on Twitter or Instagram for that live stream. But for the phones, they look simply gorgeous. It's a lot better than what I anticipated. Now, some people said they're not very impressed. You gotta go see it in person. Some people said they were kind of bored for the keynote event. You know, when I was like standing in the demo area, I heard like a ton of people just cheering and stuff. I think they were happy with the price. Kind of disappointed T-Mobile didn't put any promotions out for the phone. It's just like this, you know what, zero financing stuff. I mean, I was hoping for like a nice trade-in deal, but I didn't get to see it. So for the device itself, the 90 hertz refresh rate seems pretty cool. Oh yeah, I swear to God, man. So I had this one, friend I actually made. He had his Galaxy S10e. I left my 10 at home, so we were both comparing the photos between the Galaxy 10e and the OnePlus 7 Pro, and you know, in our eyes, we were seeing that the OnePlus 7 Pro is taking better pictures, and I was like, holy crap! Like this is like a breakthrough. Usually DxOMark, they gave it a high score of 111, and usually they give some shitty scores where just like, it's kind of like, hey man, sometimes people buy them out and then they have like these crazy scores, which doesn't really translate into real life results. But I'm telling you, like the photos we took, like 9 times out of 10, the photos looked better on the OnePlus 7 Pro than on the Galaxy S10e. Now we were like in this closed environment, inside this indoor environment, and you know, we didn't get to take like a nightscape and maybe like a bright lights or like HDR type scenes, but based on what I've seen, like there's a lot more detail on the OnePlus 7 Pro, 9 out of 10 times. So I'll probably need like a OnePlus Pro to actually do some intense testing. But so far, let me know what you guys and girls think in the comment section. Now my jackass self actually said, you know what, we're going to get the best of both worlds. We're going to get the OnePlus 7 at an affordable price, like 55, 80, whatever it was, and the OnePlus 7 Pro for people who can spend a lot more. Turns out the OnePlus 7 is only for people in China and India, and the OnePlus 7 Pro is exclusive. I'm not sure if it's exclusive to the United States, but that's the only phone we're going to get, and it's exclusive to T-Mobile. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to digest all this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys had a nice insight into the goodie bag. I know the what was it, the media, the VIP section, they got a lot more stuff in their goodie bags. I believe they didn't get a phone. They got a t-shirt, a big giant newspaper, and was it headphones? They got something pretty cool, but I forgot what it was. So anyways, everyone, hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Hope to see you guys in the next episode. I did get cases from Rinky. I don't have the phone on me, so I'm like, you know what, should I just... It's kind of stupid to just do a review on the case without the phone, because you guys want to know what the phone looks like with the case. So maybe I'll just do an unboxing and try to get my hands on the OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm not sure if I'm going to get it yet. So it's Ultratech signing out. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Peace. A huge shout out to OnePlus. Thank you guys for giving me this opportunity. It was a great experience. So thank you guys. Hope to see you guys soon. Peace.